Pressure switch regulation in GP oil transfer pressure pumps. Welcome to this video tutorial. This procedure is essential to ensure the proper operation of the equipment and to protect it from damage due to high pressure. Step 1. Turning on the equipment. Locate the white button on the equipment. Press the white button to turn on the equipment. Observe as the equipment pressurizes. Step 2. Adjusting the pressure switch. Find the screw used to adjust the pressure switch. Turn the screw clockwise to increase the pressure. Wait until the pressure in the equipment exceeds 2.5 bar cm2. Slowly turn the screw counterclockwise until the equipment shuts off the pressure. The cutoff point should be at 2.8 bar. Step 3. Sealing the screws. Apply a small drop of Loctite to both adjustment screws. Avoid using too much Loctite, as it may impede the movement of the parts. Step 4. Setting the activation point. Reduce the pressure in the equipment using the appropriate ball valve. Locate the screw used to adjust the pressure. Turn the screw clockwise to increase the pressure. Wait until the pressure in the equipment reaches 1 bar. Step 5. Activating the low-pressure safety stop. Press the locking switch point by turning clockwise the corresponding screw. Once the pressure of the equipment reaches 1 bar, it is ready set to the switching point to stop. You will observe how the safety light activates. The equipment pressure switch setting is now concluded and it is ready to operate.